The architects build skyscrapers that redefine city skylines. Investigate. The detective investigated the crime scene meticulously, searching for any clues. Craft. She crafts beautiful jewelry from recycled materials. Navigate. We navigate through the crowded streets of the city using a GPS. Explore. They explore ancient ruins to uncover hidden treasures. Analyze. Scientists analyze DNA samples to understand genetic mutations. Adapt. Plants adapt to changes in their environment to survive. Grow. Farmers grow crops to feed communities around the world. Program. He programs computer software to automate tasks. Discover. Researchers discovered a new species of marine life in the depths of the ocean. Combat. They compete in the annual marathon to test their endurance. Navigate. She navigated through the maze of streets to reach her destination. Collaborate. The team collaborated on the project to achieve better results. Investigate. The journalist investigated the corruption scandal for months. Engage. He engages with his audience through interactive presentations. Harvest. They harvest crops from the fields during the autumn months. Heal. The medicine helped to heal his wounds after the accident. Challenge. She challenged herself to learn a new language within 6 months. Inspire. His speech inspired the audience to take action for positive change. Dream. They dream of traveling the world and experiencing different cultures. Design. She designed a stunning logo for the company. Paint. They painted the walls of the room a calming shade of blue. Sculpt. He sculpts beautiful figures out of clay as a hobby. Analyze. The scientist analyzed the data to draw meaningful conclusions. Relax. We like to relax by the fireplace with a good book on cold evenings. Conquer. She conquered her fear of heights by climbing the mountain. Communicate. They communicated their ideas effectively during the meeting. Innovate. The company innovates constantly to stay ahead in the market. Negotiate. He negotiated a better price for the car with the seller. Exercise. She exercises at the gym 3 times a week to stay fit. Meditate. He meditates every morning to start his day with clarity. Surf. They surf the waves at the beach during their vacation. Volunteer. She volunteers at the homeless shelter on weekends. Calculate. She calculated the total cost of the groceries before heading to the checkout. Repair. He repaired the broken bicycle to make it usable again. Organize. She organized her desk to increase productivity. Dance. They danced salsa at the dance competition and won first place.